The word literacy isn't always talking about books. Here at the Charleston County Public Library this summer, we hope to improve your food literacy. To spread food literacy, we are teaming up with the Lowcountry Food Bank to bring the Charlie Cart mobile kitchen to our branches.
The Charlie Cart comes fully equipped to be able to teach young kids, so there's different knives for different abilities. We're actually going to talk about how to chop and dice and slice. We actually have a Vitamix. We have the simplicity of a ball jar. A ball jar you can make a vinaigrette in, so we'll talk about the science of oil and vinegar and emulsion. There's a convection baking oven, there's an induction burner, which is the safest way to stovetop cook.
With programs for kids, teens, and adults, everyone will learn where their food comes from and how to make some delicious recipes.
From a very young age, we want to start talking to them about just exploring their food, playing with it, enjoying it, and then start to get into the safety of how do we prepare it and what does that mean for us, again, with our culture, with our families, with our friends.
Many of our branches, including the Cooper River Memorial Branch, which is one of the branches that will participate in the Charlie Cart programs, is located in a literal food desert. I mean, there's not a lot of options out there, so we want to help people work with the options they do have for them to prepare healthy meals for their family.
We hope families will learn how enjoyable cooking can be.
It's fun, we get to play with it, we get to experience it. It's not something, ooh, yuck, that's nasty, I don't like it. It's a full experience. So from the prepping of it, feeling it, smelling it, experiencing the whole thing all the way through to eating it, I want kids to not be afraid to try new things, but instead to be excited to explore and learn more.
The Charlie Cart wraps up at Johns Island this week and moves to Maine and Cooper River Memorial branches throughout the summer. For a complete list of programs available, head to ccpl.org. And I'll see you next Monday to meet your library.